Man, is it gorgeous out. It's nice. It's too bad they couldn't pick up before they mowed, eh? Ah, well. It's pretty nice. Makes a person want to go fishing, doesn't it? Oh, man. The bumblebees are out. Don't know if you can see that little guy down there. Working away. Contributing to life and nature. Hardcore worker there. They all are contributing their time into taking care of things that are supposed to be taken care of. Isn't that what we're all supposed to do, right? Right? No, I don't want to preach, but that's just the way life is. Just doing things that we're supposed to do to improve life. That includes our life, our health. And it's important. Why is it important? It's important to us, ourselves, our quality of life, our family, the ones we love. It's all important. It's about living life to the fullest. And these little critters, they know what they're doing. They're living their life to the fullest, what they're meant to do, what they're designed to do, to live their life to the fullest. A little guy there. Not sure if I can get it focused in. That's what we're supposed to do. Anywho, just wanted to share a little bit of sunshine. Sally's out here doing her ditty. Keeping an eye on me. Although life is pretty darn rough. Shortest distance between point A and point B is a straight line, right? But how interesting would that be? That would be kind of boring. It's like a wiggly line. Life's got to be challenging, so that way we can grow. Helps us understand a little bit better. And then when we get our aha moment, it'll be like, boom, the release of pressure. Anyway, y'all have a great day. We'll catch you later. Enjoy this just a little bit longer, and then we're off. All right, later.